Hello, this is Dr. Kritzer back at you for Introduction to Infographics. This is Unit 4, Part 1. And in this unit, we're going to talk about the steps to creating your own infographic. And I just want to start by reviewing some of the steps involved. We need to, first of all, we choose a theme. And chances are this theme will be somewhat within your line of work or line of interest. After we choose a theme, we're going to add icons and text to that theme throughout the infographic. Then we're going to edit that text, make the fonts look a little bit more appropriate. We might even change the background of the infographic. We could add a chart, depending on the purpose of our infographic. And then we want to save it and publish it. So let's look at those steps one more time. And let's focus on the site called PictoChart. And PictoChart. And PictoChart here outlines the various steps in creating an infographic. Choosing a theme, adding icons and text, editing the text, changing the background with instructions, and adding a chart, and then finally saving and publishing. So when we go to pictochart.com, and I'm recommending this one as probably the easiest way to get started making an infographic. So when we go to PictoChart, the first thing we do is we want to choose a template. Choose a template to alter. Let's say we went to this one. And in this one is a comparison infographic. And as it boots up, we will notice the ability to alter it. And like I talked about earlier, this is where we can add shapes and lines. We can add icons. We can add photos, and even photos from our own collections and photo frames. We can change the background depending on what we want to the background to be. We can change the background. We can change the. We can also add graphics. We can add a chart if we want to it, and alter the chart and then insert it. So we have the ability to do an awful lot to make these infographics look different, to give them our own flavor. And I hope that this tutorial has been helpful. And now it's time for you to play with this and make your own infographic. I'm Dr. Kritzer, and I will be back with you again for Unit 4, Part 2.